Hi student, today I will continue the chapter motion and time. Okay? Motion and time. So today I will study this topic speed. So what is speed? Speed is distance traveled per unit time. So in unit time, how much distance the object will travel? So this is called speed. Suppose this is an object. Okay. So here initial time suppose 0. Now after traveling a certain distance, suppose the object reaches this position and this distance we consider as S. Okay, from this point, that means from A to B, the distance you consider as S, and at this position suppose time is T. That means in T time the object moves from position A to B and covers a distance of S. Okay, so distance travel in time T is equals to S. Okay, now distance travel in unit time. Unit time means 1. It will be S by T. Okay, so this is our speed. Therefore speed equals to S by T. That means speed equals to distance by time. Okay, so this is speed. In unit time, how much distance an object travel, this is called speed. So speed is represented as, we can also represent it by V or S. Okay, V or S we can use to represent speed. So formula was speed is equals to distance by time. Suppose you consider speed as S. Okay, S is used to represent speed. So distance suppose you consider as D and time as T. So S equal to D by T. So if we cross multiply, then every term has a 1 like this. So if we cross multiply, then distance will be equals to S into T. That means distance equal to speed into time. Or so distance into time, speed into time equals to distance. So here time is equals to distance by S. Okay, from here three formula we have to remember. Speed equals to distance by time, or distance equal to speed into time, or time equal to distance by speed. Okay. That means speed equals to distance by time. Distance equals to speed into time or time equals to distance by speed. So these are the three formula we have to remember. Now we take an example. Suppose distance between Delhi and Chandigarh. Okay, this is the position of Delhi and this is the position of Chandigarh, and distance between them is 250 kilometers. Okay, a bus start from Delhi and reach Chandigarh in time 5 hours. So time 5 hours. Okay, the bus start at Delhi and reach the position of Chandigarh and takes 5 hours. Okay, now we need to calculate speed. So how can we calculate? So here distance is given. Distance equal to 250 kilometer. Time is equals to 5 hours. And we know the formula is speed equals to distance by time. So distance equal to 250 kilometer. Time is 5 hours. So if we divide it, it will be 50 kilometer per hour. Okay. So take another question. So this is a position of Delhi and this is the position of Lucknow. Okay. So a train takes 6 hours. Time equals to 6 hours to travel from Delhi to Lucknow with a speed is given 80 kilometer per hour. Okay. So if a train start at Delhi and move to Lucknow with a speed of 80 km per hour and takes 6 hours to complete the journey, then what will be the distance between Delhi and Lucknow? So in this case, so speed is 80 km per hour, time is 6 hours, we need to calculate distance. Okay. So apply this formula, we know distance equals to speed into time. So speed is 80, time is 6. So if we multiply, it will be 480 km. Okay.